Thank you. It's pretty cool. So a lot of these little makeshift houses everywhere. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so I'm walking, I'm staying in this hotel right here. It's called High Residences. And I saw this little canal that's like right next to the hotel. And I'm just kind of curious how it goes. Actually, what I want to try to do is walk across this way, but I think the hotel said there's no way, that you can't walk it, and on and on and on. But in my experience with almost every single hotel and every local that I've ever met anywhere in the world, they always say the same thing. No, you can't walk it. You can't do that. It's not possible. But every time I try it, it's always possible. So I'm going to try it today too. Yeah, I think I'm already kind of going into some community. So yeah, this is a little river. That's my hotel right there. And now I think I'm going to be going into some kind of residence, but you'll see. There's supposed to be a big highway over here too, so I think maybe the highway I can't get across anyways. But we're just going to walk it, see what we can see. It's pretty cool. So we're kind of walking down a little residential alley. And I see this big bridge. It's like a big overpass. And yeah, my hotel is straight this way. And this is funny. So we'll just see what happens when I get down here. We'll see if I can actually continue walking or not. That's a giant billboard sign right there, so people can see that from the highway. So I don't know, maybe they're right. Maybe I won't be able to go any further than this. Maybe I'll get my camera stolen. Who knows? Oh yeah, there is a highway right there. Okay. Well, thanks. And exploring. So it looks like this is kind of like some people's homes underneath the bridge there. There's a dog. So I guess we'll see what we can see around here. The dog. Yeah, they might be right. Maybe I can't. Huh. So these are all people's homes. Look pretty cool. Telephone booths. Walkways. It's pretty cool. Kind of walking fast because I don't know where this goes. See the barbed wire right there. I'm just curious if it goes to a street or not. Thank you. It's pretty cool. So a lot of these little makeshift houses everywhere. That's the highway that I can't cross. There's chickens here. It's a river. A lot of chickens in here. So I think I'm not going to be able to just see. I guess I'll just keep walking. Let's see what we can see here. What do you, can I keep walking this way? I might not say. So I don't know if I can keep going. I don't know if I can keep walking or not. It should all lead to a road or something. It's pretty cool though. Is there a road here? Yeah, thank you. Come and grab.
ล้างเครื่องพอไหมคะอันละ120ล้างยังคะล้างกองน้ำไหมอันละ120
Hello. It's pretty cool. So, okay. So we keep on walking here so you can see. Can I keep walking the road? This is the road up this way. Thank you. This way. So I'm just going to keep on walking here. Don't want to. Okay, so I went through that little area. It's pretty cool actually, residential. But yeah, I'm totally lost now, so I couldn't get through what I wanted to do, and now I'm just kind of out in the middle of nowhere. So I'm looking through it in this space, and then I'm gonna try to figure out a way to get somewhere else. Okay, so I'm walking down this kind of cool market. It's kind of weird. It's kind of some pretty cool stuff, but they don't see foreigners around here at all. That's for sure. I had one guy just following me, asking for money, which isn't something that usually people in Thailand don't do. They usually leave foreigners alone, which makes me wonder maybe there's some city ordinance that they can't go to the tourist areas and do that. So luckily he came all the way down. I saw him come by. He waited for me way down at the end of the street, and then he came to follow me. Actually, there's some pretty cool stuff in there. I was gonna film in there, but the guy, I was like, I better not bring out my camera. Anyways.